Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. You're welcome back. We're live on Kucoin. We're going to be looking into token listings for the month of June, July. These are some of the projects that have been listed so far. We'll also be giving you tips that will help you or guide you in the forthcoming months that will help you take advantage of these opportunities. Now, on Kucoin, one of the coolest features I like is the fact that aside the interface is very easy to use, the website and mobile app, or you can also get access to all the features on the mobile app. Aside the fact that it's very easy to use, the cool thing is that Kucoin is currently ranked at the #1 altcoin exchange in the world. It's currently the people's exchange because of the wide variety of opportunities available. There are loads of altcoins that are currently available right here on CoinMarketCap. You can see it's currently ranked at number 1 to 5, 1 to 6 crypto exchange in the world. You can see the tokens or the coins being listed about 724 as compared to these other tokens that have been listed in other exchanges. So this is one cool feature you want to take into consideration. You can see there are about 294 exchanges being ranked here. So Kucoin being among the top 5, top 6 is currently a very good figure. And also you also want to check into CoinGecko. They also have the same data, which is you can compare to that of CoinMarketCap. Now I'm going to head off straight directly. So on the home page you get access to see the odds tokens that are currently odds doing well. Here we have BTC and others, but we're going to be focusing on the new coins that have just been listed. Now we have FIDA, which just got listed on Kucoin. We have a BUSD, which was just introduced also. Then we have a XROBP, ROBP, and LDO token. Now you can see both these two projects are currently doing well. We have a FIDA doing about 4%, and LDO doing about 5.3% as of recording 24-hour change volume. Now we're going to look when these products were launched. Now you can see here on Kucoin, if you want to get access to this, all you need to do is to go over to the news section. Click on this top icon. It's going to take you directly to the news section. Click on the latest news, and here you'll be able to click on this token listing to see the list of tokens that are going to be listed, as well as the ones that have been listed, to see how far they're doing. Now for these latest two, we're going to look into Bonfida and Lido DAO token. Now right here, as a new user, you want to research about these products, to know about these assets, to know the utilities involved. Now you want to know that this video is basically for educational purposes, so it's not a financial advice, so you want to keep that in mind. Now basically this is the tag is the Solana name service asset agnostic order book. So the official website is here for you to do your own research. Now you want to look into the community of this individual projects, how well active these communities are, and also the official website to see how well it's built. They also have Telegram handle. There's also a white paper available. There you can see the issue price, which is about $0.1, but currently as of recording, it's currently at about, I'm going to go back, it's currently about $0.5. so meaning if you had bought into this project, you would have gotten about 4x the amount you invested or more. Then also you want to see the market cap that are available here. Now most users can easily go over to CMC if these tokens have been listed there already. Just click on CoinMarketCap. You can search up FIDA. So I'm going to click here. So you can see FIDA is being listed here already. Not all of them are listed there, but you can see how it's doing. Listed on Kucoin tomorrow. Okay, this was when it was about to be listed. Watch out. So initially it was okay after going out. After how long? Okay, this is it. So these are some of the top news as regards this project. So you want to look at what people are currently saying regards it. So I think you also want to check out the funders or the people behind this project to know if there are people with experience or more. So we have currently Binance, Bybit, FTX, Binges, and BitTrue. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. Bonfida bridges, the gap between Serum. We also have Solana and more. You can also check out some of the team behind this project. Now this will help you make your own decision. Now also you want to check about list of places where these tokens are currently being found. We have it on Binance already. We also have it on Coinbase, and also for Kucoin and Gate.io. So it's currently on top major exchanges, so which shows good prospects, as these exchanges usually do due diligence before listing tokens. Now also you want to check out 1 month price movements. You can see it went from about $0.3 to about $0.8 due to the new listing that it just got. So we're currently in the bear market, but the project is currently thriving, which is a good thing. Then also for Lido LDO, let's check out for LDO, guys. So this is basically how you do your research to see how far these projects are. So Lido is currently doing well. Check out 24-hour volume to see how. So it went from $0.4 to about $1.89 within a month. So I think that's the ATH, the all-time high. Okay, no, it has gotten an higher value than that. So this is on the Ethereum smart contract. So you want to check out and see the project, or you see the team behind this project, the founders. Now for Lido, it says Lido it's been include VC, Parafi, Capital. Like, okay, we have Terra, we have Bitski, Capital, we have loads of people here on this project. So hopefully we're going to see more. Then let's check out the markets to see where they are currently available. So it's currently available on top exchanges as well, so which is a cool feature. So you can also check out their Twitter communities, guys, which I also recommend. Now for Bonfida, we have about 96.9k, which is very cool. Shows how active they are. So you want to check to see if the community is very active. So we have about 27 activities or engagements here. So you want to keep an eye on these basic engagement. Now this is the official website for Bonfida. So these are just basic overview of this project. So you want to make your research, know if it's something you want to invest in. So on Kucoin, you get access to lots of these opportunities. Now you can check our previous videos to see how far token listings have been done on Kucoin, and you can see the is currently one of the reasons why most users love using Kucoin, because it gives them the opportunity to get advantage of new projects. So when projects are being listed, you get advantage, or you get an opportunity to benefit from this, which is a cool feature. So guys, I do hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any question, guys, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. For new users, all you need to do, just sign up on Kucoin. My referral code will be in the description box. Put in your email address, phone number, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. You can also access these new listings on your mobile app, which is very easy to do. Peace out, guys. One love. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe and keep using Kucoin, guys. They are currently using them for quite some time, which we currently find. And also I'm going to show you guys one video we did on a new listing. I think that was for Origami. So we did that for Origami when it was listed, and we made some profit from that, although we didn't take out the profit we made early enough. But it shows the potential when it comes to, okay, this is the video, guys, this is the video. It shows the potential when it comes to using Kucoin. So if you're good with analysis, you can easily buy into projects, and you can easily pull out when the market decides to reverse or restabilizes. Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe, peace out, and see you in a future upload, guys.